morning, everyone. This is Fender. It's Wednesday morning, September 27, 2017. Time 5:48 a.m. here in New York City, my city, which is the greatest city in the world. Yeah, baby. I'm on the FEMA website now, and they have this posting, which is entitled Mandatory Nationwide Test of the Emergency Alert System to be conducted on September 27, 2017, which is today. Okay, I will read this to you guys and gals. Now, Washington, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, in coordination with the Federal Communication Commission, FCC, will conduct a mandatory nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, EAS, on September 27, 2017 at 2:20 p.m. EDT. The test will assess the readiness for distribution of the national level test message, as well as verify its delivery. The EAS test is made available to radio, television, cable, and direct broadcast satellite systems, and it is scheduled to last approximately 1 minute. The test message will be similar to the regular monthly test message of the EAS, with which the public is familiar, only inserting the word national. This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Significant coordination and regional testing has been conducted with the broadcast community and emergency managers in preparation for this EAS national test. The test is intended to ensure public safety officials have the methods and system that will deliver urgent alerts and warnings to the public in times of emergency or disaster. Periodic testing of public alert and warning system is also a way to assess the operational readiness of the infrastructure required for the distribution of national message and determine whether technological improvements are needed. Conducted a test following Hurricane Harvey, Irma, Jose, and Maria will provide insight into the resiliency of our national level alerting capabilities in impacted areas. The test will also provide valuable data into how the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System, IPAWS, performs during and following a variety of conditions, with 2 major hurricanes already making landfall and potentials for 2 more impacting our nation. We need to have the ability to maintain the continuity of critical infrastructure under various conditions. Receiving preparedness tips and timely information about weather condition or other emergency events can make all the difference in knowing when to take actions to be safe. FEMA and our partners are working to ensure alerts and warnings are received quickly through several different technologies, no matter whether an individual is out at home, at school, or at work, or out in the community. The FEMA app, which can be downloaded on both Android and Apple devices, is one way to ensure receipts of both preparedness tips and weather alerts. The FEMA app can be downloaded. Okay, they give you a place where you can download FEMA apps. Okay, let's see, continue. The backup date for the test is October 4th, 2017 at 2:20 p.m. EDT. In case the September 27 test is canceled. More information on the IPAWS and wireless emergency alert is available. Here, I give an address here. You can also access a video FEMA Accessibility Emergency Alert System IPAWS test message in American Sign Language. This is the 3rd mandatory nationwide test of the EAS. The first test was conducted in November 2011 in collaboration with the FCC. I think I made a video on this test. I think they performed the test in Alaska in November 2011. Okay, continue. Broadcasters and emergency management officials. The second mandatory test was conducted in September 2016. Background. In 2007, FEMA began modernizing the nation's public alert and warning system by integrating new technologies into the existing alert system. The new system, known as the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System, IPAWS, became operational in 2011. Today, IPAWS supports more than 900 local, state, tribal, and federal users through a standardized message format. IPAWS enables public safety alerting authorities such as emergency managers, police, and fire department to send the same alert and warning message over multiple communication pathways at the same time to citizens in harm ways, helping to save lives. For more information on FEMA, IPAWS, go to, here's the address. For more preparedness information, go to www.ready.gov. FEMA mission is to support our citizens and first responders to ensure that as a nation we work together to build, sustain, and improve our capability to prepare for, protect against, respond to, recover from, and mitigate all hazards. The social media link provided are for reference only. FEMA does not endorse any non-government website, companies, or application. Wow. Alright, so I believe I needed to inform you guys and gals this morning about what's going to take place later this afternoon. That FEMA is going to do some kind of emergency alert system test. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video. Everyone have a nice day. God bless and bye.